Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
This light installed above my pergola has completely solved the lighting issue I was facing over the patio table. It is a solar-powered light from HULPPRE, offering a wide range of customizable lighting options. The light itself is attractive with its metalwork design, and I was able to install it seamlessly above my pergola with the solar panel on top. The cord that it comes with was plenty long enough to reach across the pergola, so I was not hemmed in by a cord that was too short. It comes with 5 different modes, with number 4 and number 5 working during the day. Now that's the first time I've had a solar-powered light that actually functions during the day. It also has 2 light temperatures, a motion sensor, a remote control, and a dimming function. It has totally exceeded my expectations. Now, we frequently spend time outside, and this light has significantly enhanced the experience by elegantly illuminating my table. It's functional, but it's also beautiful, complementing the other lights I already have outside. And the inclusion of a motion sensor, even during daylight hours, that is a thoughtful and valuable feature. Who doesn't love a remote control? HULPPRE has clearly considered every detail in the design of this solar-powered light.
And that is my point of view.